Shanub Kangsalan Rizki, Jakatam, Sane Sosoga, Zaton Ngotoshin, Kenki, Yamper Santoashi, Bonang Tuti, Puki Surgeon Seritan, Tarti Zaton Kinamba, Yamper Kilam, Yerko Santo Pewatela, Talam Tankes, Haya, Chigmas and Zamchonyu. Mark Vincent, YouTube Gilam Yerko Santoashi, La Kungi, Gilam La Jende, Matang Saya, Nagal. 年轻户口不计萨拉萨当一个字，沿着严肃social security，不计扎东了，一龙个托尼萨康当上了，不仅这是不计扎东也就是当当，地主啊是个2%都别话对了，咱们一直说说呢，单看啥呀，起码是咱重要。
Hey everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. It's Mark Wiens. I'm in Lhasa, which is the most important city in Tibet. I've been wanting to visit the city for so long, since I was a kid and learned and actually saw pictures of the Potala Palace. But I'm excited to be here. It's an honor to be here. I was invited by Travel China Tibet Tours. Today we are going to go on an ultimate Tibetan street food and local food tour of Lhasa. But before we start eating, we are going to visit the Potala Palace.